Oh, handicap accessible route, nice ramp, boardwalk, and a little map explaining it's a preserve, Clifton Perry Beach Preserve. Welcome! Another little access, a bit narrower, kind of exciting. What are we going to see? Ooh, if you're going to come in the evening, you probably want to bring mosquito repellent. Maybe a machete. Look around. This is what we see on either side. This is what I see behind me, being followed by a strange man, but I love him, so it's fine. And we're back. Whoa, back to our walk. Sorry if we got a little dizzy there. Love these. Look at the mangrove trees, the roots. That's so cool. A lot of times you'll see crabs down there. Not today. I probably scared them off with my squeaky flip-flops.
This is something you see out here a lot, as long as you keep your eyes peeled for them.
There's that. And here's a map of the Blue Way paddling trails. Ooh, that's actually pretty interesting. It's something we'll have to explore. I'm sure we've already done a number of them, but I'm kind of liking what I see here.
Where are we? We are here. Okay. Now, see, I'd really like to kayak all through here. This would be a lot of fun. We get a lot of boat traffic here, but this is where all the pretty water is.
And the mullet.
Just missed one jump.
Be fairly new. You can continue walking along if you want to fish or just see the sights, but then this one, just slide your kayak right down in here. A little bit mossy, but maybe that makes for an easy transition into the water. Pretty nice though. I'm glad we pulled off here.
It's funny, I know it's our winter time, but when you get out in the sun, it gets hot really quick.
Yep, need some water.
Yeah.